Presented by CTI, this new project showcases our fully automated packaging line, featuring robotics, palletizing, and wrapping. The process starts with automatic weighing, ensuring each bag maintains a consistent weight to meet quality standards and improve efficiency. Next, the bags are automatically picked and filled. Each bag is carefully settled to ensure stability before sewing. And finally, the bag is transferred onto the conveyor. The robotic arm then takes over, precisely stacking each bag on the pallet according to programmed patterns and layers. Once stacking is complete, the pallet is automatically conveyed to the pallet stretch wrapping station, where it is securely wrapped on all sides and the top for full protection. The system has dual pallet stations. While pallet A is being wrapped, the robotic arm continues stacking on pallet B. At the same time, an empty pallet is automatically delivered to station A, keeping the process running smoothly. The whole packaging process runs smoothly, saving time and labor while keeping quality high. Automation is the smart choice for today and tomorrow.